At Trivium, we're shaping the future of career and technical education through immersive VR learning. Our simulation library empowers learners to safely explore high-demand trades, building job-ready skills in real-world scenarios. With engaging, standards-aligned content, students gain confidence and competence, anytime, anywhere. Each simulation is built to reflect rigorous national and state standards. Safety is the foundation of all skilled trades. This simulation introduces learners to essential shop safety protocols, identifying risks, choosing proper personal protective equipment, and responding to emergencies. Strong skills begin with the right tools. In this module, learners are introduced to standard hand tools used in welding and fabrication. They learn tool functions, safe handling, and the role each tool plays in preparing and finishing welds. In fabrication, precision and power go hand in hand. This simulation trains learners to handle power tools safely, focusing on grinders and cutting tools. It emphasizes pre-use checks, safe operation techniques, and maintenance practices. Shielded metal arc welding, or SMAW, is one of the most widely used welding processes. This simulation guides learners through machine setup, safety checks, and workspace preparation. It covers arc protection, proper grounding, and key components of SMAW equipment. This gas welding simulation introduces learners to oxyfuel setup and cutting procedures. From safe cylinder storage and leak testing to flame control and precision cutting, the module builds core metalworking skills. Trivium's welding and fabrication simulations are more than virtual experiences. They're workforce-ready training tools. With real-world standards, hands-on skills, and immersive learning, students are ready to enter the trades with knowledge, confidence, and safety at their core. Trivium, transforming career and technical education through VR.